In this session, we are going to discuss about uniform circular motion. We all are familiar with circular motion, right? If an object is in motion and the path of that motion is circular, then we can say that it is circular motion. Circular motion is uniform means the speed is same, speed is constant. First we can define circular motion. We are considering a circle. It is the path of circular motion. The motion of an object along circular path is called circular motion. If an object is having the path in the form of circle, then we can say that it is circular motion. Now we are going to discuss about acceleration in uniform motion. What is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, right? If there is a change in velocity, we can say that it is accelerating. There are two types of acceleration, positive acceleration and negative acceleration. Positive acceleration means velocity is increasing. Negative acceleration means velocity is decreasing. We can say that if there is a change in velocity, there will be acceleration. What is velocity? It is a rate of change of displacement, or it is a speed with direction. In velocity, direction is very important because it is a vector quantity. We are going to consider a rectangular path. There is an object here. This object is going to have a uniform motion. This ball is going to move with uniform speed. You need to observe this movement. It is in uniform speed, uniform velocity. Now it changed the direction, right? So it is in uniform speed, but it is not uniform velocity. Again it changed the direction, velocity changed. Again it changed the direction, velocity changed. We can conclude that if there is a change in direction, the velocity will change. If the velocity is changing, the object is accelerating. Velocity will change because of change in speed or change in direction of motion. There are two reasons for change in velocity. One is change in speed. Second one is change in direction. Here the speed is not changing, but the direction is changing. Here 3 times the direction changed. 1, 2, 3 times the direction changed. So we can say that it is accelerating. Now we can consider circular motion. There is an object and this object is having circular motion. Always the direction is changing, right? The direction of motion is always changing. If it is in uniform speed also, the speed is uniform but direction is changing always, then we can say that this object is having acceleration because of change in direction. We are going to find the direction of motion now. It is a circular path and these are the positions of objects at different time. We are considering this object, this position. We are considering this position and there is a thread to the center. Using this thread, we are rotating that object. So it is a rotational motion. When the thread is breaking, if the thread is breaking, what is going to happen? This object will go away from this circular path, right? It will be the path. It is like tangent, right? It is a tangent. And at this position, again, the direction of motion is this one, tangential. In all position, the direction of motion is changing. Because of that, we can say that the object is accelerating. Uniform circular motion is an example of accelerated motion because direction of motion is always changing. The speed is constant but the object is accelerating because of change in velocity. What is the reason for change in velocity? Change in direction of motion. Subscribe our channel for getting instant notification of sample paper solution and support us for providing free online classes to everyone. www.winpointonlineclasses.com